bat. So, good morning, class. Good morning, teacher. So, today, we are going to focus on pronunciation some of English words. Are you ready for our activity?
Yes.
So, let's proceed. So, can you read each words written in this board? Everybody's raise their book.
Sheep,
Bag,
pin,
pen. These two words, ano yung napapansin mo?
aweso,
Very good. May ipapakinig ako sa inyo mga pronunciation with these words and observe nyo kung ano yung pagkakaiba. Understand?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Napansin nyo ba ang pagkakaiba ng mga pronunciation with these different words? So, very good. So, ngayon, magkakaroon tayo ng group activity. In your groups, take turns saying each pair. Pay close attention to the difference in your mouth movements and the sounds you produce. Okay?
Sheep,
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 bat,
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 pin,
pin,
pen. So, great job everyone. Now, let's try a fun activity. I give you a sentence and with a minimal pair of words, you have to guess which words I use based on the context. Number 1,
I saw a small ship sailing on the sea.
second sentence,
I saw a fluffy white sheep in the field.
yes, Miss Bernadette. Bilo mo. Very good. Good job everyone. By practicing minimal pairs, we can improve our pronunciation and understand subtle difference in English sounds. Remember to practice regularly and you see a big improvement in your English fluency.